Hello all, Ankit this side. In this video, we are going to learn about how to replace our root volume using launch state option. To learn about this topic, the first thing what we need is one EC2 machine, which I have already created. I have created Amazon Linux EC2 machine. While practice, if you want to create a Windows machine, you can create a Windows machine also. Now, to learn about this topic, the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect to this machine and I'm going to create some files. So let's just note down the public IP and I'm going to connect by using put. Open, accept. Our default username is ec2-user. I'm able to connect. So let's just create some file. So I'm able to create file 1 and file 2 in this particular Linux EC2 machine. Now the next thing what I need to do is I need to go to the storage tab. So you have select that EC2 machine. Here you are able to see the tab. Click on storage tab, scroll down. Here I'm going to note down the volume ID. I have noted down the volume ID of our Linux EC2 machine. Next step. Scroll down more. Here we can see whatever the volumes we are going to replace, that particular volumes ID we are able to see here. Now to replace the volume, we have option called replace root volume. So click on this one. Here also we are able to see the same volume ID. And to restore, it means to replace the volume, we have three options: launch state, snapshot, image. Right now in this video, I'm going to show you the launch state option. And if you want to delete your volume, means existing one, whichever we have, if you want to delete the specific one, then we can check the checkbox. If you don't want, uncheck the checkbox. I want to delete, so I'm going to check this checkbox. It means system will create a new volume and link that particular volume to this particular EC2 machine and delete the old one. Click on create replacement task. Now select the machine, click on storage. Here I'm getting the new one and we can see here, we still have the same volume ID and even we can go to the volume tab. Still we are able to see the 2 here. This still our old one is attached with our machine. New one is created, but it is not yet attached. This will take some time. System will take some time to follow this process. We need to wait here. And you can see here might be our machine is disconnected. No, our machine is still connected right now. Status is still showing us in the pending. Still taking more time. Now our machine is disconnected. Automatically it get disconnected. Let me go again, go to instance. Let me refresh this page. Select the volume, sorry, EC2 machine, go to storage tab. Still status is showing pending. Usually it is not taking that much of time, but today it is taking time, so no issues. Select the volume of EC2 machine again. Now you can see here, they start detaching this particular machine. And this one is showing us in progress. So system is replacing that particular volume. Still showing us detaching in progress. Still our new volume is showing us in available, old one is showing us in use. Once our new one is attached, then it is showing us as in use to us. And here also we can see here attached volume. Now you can see here our one volume is deleted and now we are only able to see one volume here. And here we have the new volume ID. Earlier we have this one, now we have this particular volume ID. So let's check our EC2 machine also. Go to instance, select the one, storage, scroll down. You can see here the new ones attach it 293, 293. And here was the task which is successfully completed. Now let's connect to our machine again. I can just restart the session. Localize our machine is not yet properly start running it. That's why it is taking time. Yes, it is not yet started. Let again click on restart. Or I can try like this also. Open, open. No, you're still not able to connect. This will take some time. Again, we are getting the error message as timeout. Still taking more time. So now when we are going to connect to this particular EC2 machine, the two files which we have created earlier, are we going to see those two files? Let's see that. Now you can see a status is showing us as 1/2 check passed. So that's why we are not able to connect to this particular machine. This will take some time. Now I'm going to click on accept. Again, restarted the one. Now I need to enter the username. Enter. You can see I'm able to. So you don't need to reboot this machine. System is automatically rebooting our EC2 machine. And now we are able to connect. Now just type ls. You can see here, we are not able to see those files. So if you are going to use the option which we have used right now called launch state, whatever the files you have created in your machine, all are going to remove. So be very careful if you are using this particular option called launch state. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.